these are some of the ways in which we can use VoiceThread. In this instance, teacher has created a VoiceThread presentation for the students to post voice comments as part of the an oral exam, final term oral exam.
Hi students, here I am again with another VoiceThread. This time, as part of your oral exam for this term, I'm going to ask you a few questions about the topics studied along the second section.
Let's have a look at one student.
Antonio Fernandez. Question number 1. One of my best memories is when I was 5. I was in Asturias, in the mountains, with all my family, playing football with my cousin Alejandro.
This is another VoiceThread. In this case, there's been a partnership between a school in Badalona and a school in Canada. The students make presentations with different slides talking about certain different topics such as music or movies or sports, their city, free time activities.
Hello, my name is Mael.
I am Gloria. I am Gemma.
VoiceThread may be a good platform for digital portfolios. This is an example of a digital portfolio for an art student. Let's play an extract.
This ceramic piece, entitled Support Group, stands for personal shelter. I was inspired by the architectural ribbing found in ancient Gothic domes.
In the ESL classroom, the students could keep a personal portfolio and then they could provide links or even embed Word documents, place voice recordings, even record videos and talk about their achievements, talk about the things that they can do in English. Another example of a VoiceThread is a field trip. If you ever go to a field trip with your students, then ask them to take pictures and then upload those pictures to a VoiceThread and place text or voice comments.
Halfway between Santa Fe and Albuquerque, New Mexico, lies the town of Cochiti Lake. The town of Cochiti Lake is leased land from the Pueblo de Cochiti.
Around the town of the people of Cochiti retain many cultural values. They still speak their native language of Curacao. In addition, they are...
And finally, we may use VoiceThread as a source for listening material. There are fantastic VoiceThreads out there with incredible photos that can prompt a lot of discussion in the classroom. Let's have a look at this picture in particular, which I really liked. It really caught my eye.
I took this picture in an abandoned tobacco warehouse on the west side of the city. A huge 6-story building, completely empty. Yet strange, it's almost as if people had just disappeared and left everything behind. So
if we provide the link to the VoiceThread, then the students can listen to this material at home or on the move, wherever they want. Then they get back to the classroom and you can play the listening extract in class and see how much they understood, or maybe pause it and help them out with understanding.